Within some models of the scan and cut machine, there are a couple of applique sections. This second applique section has designs that feature various fans, flowers, and other medallion style patterns that you can create using fabric. If I select this pattern as an example, as you've seen before, we often get to set the height and width of the overall shape. The machine will then be presenting us with the different elements of that shape. For example, here's one of those petals, and we would load that. It tells us we need 6 of these, so I set that on the mat, and it's automatically spread them out and positioned them perfectly for cutting. If I load the second colour there and click OK and set, again it's loaded them on. However, I may wish to just move them around so that they all fit in a particular way that I can cut this strip of fabric and this strip of fabric, and you would then continue to add the rest of the elements in this way until you have everything lined up. Now, you don't have to load them all at once. You can load certain sections of the design, cut those out, and then load the next sections. It's entirely up to you how you go about it. But in general, as long as you end up with all of the bits, then that's what counts. So you can see there though that it is very quick to load those up. And the best thing is the machine does all the calculations and the mathematics for us, so we don't have to do that bit.